If you want to record sounds and create voice memos on OPPO Find X9 Pro, all you have to do is simply go to the app drawer, and then in here you should be able to find the recorder. Press agree and continue, and then we can use this red button at the bottom of the screen in order to start recording ourselves. Of course, we can grant permissions for notifications. And there we go, now we are creating a simple voice memo. We are recording ourselves. We can say whatever we want to say out loud in order to take audio notes. And also, as you can see, we have the transcript option, which is pretty much working on the spot, so you don't have to worry about listening to the audio and then rewriting stuff, because the phone will do that pretty much for you. Of course, we can add bookmarks over here. We can pause the recording whenever you want to. We can also pause the recording with the red button over here in the upper right corner. We also have directional clear voice option, and we can also change the language, the speech language. So if you talk in a different language than the one that is detected over here, then you can easily fix that. So let's stop the recording. We can of course tap on it again in order to see the transcript. As you can see, it is also divided by speakers. We also can choose which speakers we want to take a look at. We have the summary, which we can generate with AI. And over here we can also copy the whole transcript. Now we can also tap on this audio wave in order to open these audio lines over here. We can show bookmarks that we have created. We can also add new bookmarks if you want to, and so on and so forth. Over here at the top we have some additional tools like the AI clear voice and some other stuff in here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.